Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful weight loss drink for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose weight using pineapples and the wonderful benefits that you're going to get from the pineapples. So let's start right now with these simple, easy ingredients. All you're going to need is a pineapple. You're going to need cinnamon sticks, and you're going to need a liter of water. Okay, so you're also going to need a pan because we're going to be boiling this. So now, while we're starting, we're going to put our water into our pan to start the boiling process. Next, we're going to use one cinnamon stick. Now these are pretty big. Okay, one cinnamon stick for this. We're going to pop that in our water. And I love the way cinnamon smells when it's boiling. Now you're going to need a pineapple, and I don't mean the inside of the pineapple. We're going to be using the outside of the pineapple. There's so many wonderful health benefits of the pineapple. So we're just going to cut that off. Make sure you scrub the outside of your pineapple. And put your pineapple skins in the pan. Boil it for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so now that our pineapples is finished boiling, we're going to allow this to steep for at least 5 minutes, and I'll be back after it's finished. Okay, you guys, so we are back. Now what you're going to do is get your favorite mug, and we're going to strain this. What you can also do is you can make this drink in advance and even refrigerate it. Keep the skin inside the pitcher or container that you want to pour it into. Leave it in there so that it can be much more stronger and more flavorful. And you can create this in advance and either drink it cold or drink it as a tea in the morning or afternoon. But this is refreshing. It's delicious. And it smells wonderful. Now, if you want, you can also add in your honey if you want it a little sweeter. Okay, so let me try this right now. Okay, well, it has a little zing to it, but yes, I would definitely recommend a little sweetener to add a little more flavor to it, but it is wonderful. I'm going to also list the wonderful benefits of pineapple drink or tea because you can either have it cold or have it hot. So this is wonderful for weight loss, you guys. Drink it in the mornings, every day, a couple of times a day, 20 to 30 minutes before each meal. And also remember, with any teas, detox drinks that you consume, make sure that you eat healthy. Healthy, light meals, okay? So this way you can really see weight loss coming off. And you guys, thank you for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn those notifications on for this channel. And when you do, personalize it to all, so this way you will not miss another one of these wonderful videos for weight loss and nutrition, okay? So until the next time, you guys, I will see you then. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button
click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.